I have made it back home. Now I'm gonna have my protein shake. If you're wondering what protein I'm taking aajkal, it is this one over here. This is the whey protein by Optimum Nutrition. This is actually my brother's and we're sharing it. It's the chocolate flavor. It's super yum. So I've already made it. The house is a mess, just ignore that. So I've already made it and I'm gonna have this now and then we'll take a bath and then I will be back. I am done with my shower. I look a little bit red because I've taken a hot shower. Anyways, now I'm just getting ready. I'm heading out to meet my old friend. I haven't met her in like years and I'm just going to meet her. So we're going out for dinner and I might stay at her place. We don't know yet. I'm still like two minds about it. But we are also going clubbing. Shayad, like that's not confirmed, but we might go clubbing. If you guys have watched me for a long time, you would know that I am not a party kind of person. I never go out clubbing, like that's just not my vibe, but I just want to try it. I'm kind of interested and I just feel like I get addicted to it. But yeah, so that's the plan for tonight and I will take you along and I will try to vlog. I'm really bad at vlogging, but I'll try to vlog. So I thought ki, you know, because we're heading out to clubbing, I just want my skin to look A+, especially I want my makeup to look very nice. So I will apply a face mask. Now this one over here is the Mamaearth Neem face mask. And this is mainly for pimples and zits. Whilst this is drying, I am just thinking to multitask. So what I'll do is I will straighten up my hair at the same time because why not? I have to actually leave in about half an hour. So I feel I should just get cracking, do my hair in the meantime. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's been 15 minutes, my face mask is almost dry. So I'm gonna wash it off and then I will show you the after results. Hey guys, so I'm back after washing my face. My skin, as you can see, looks amazing. I just look like a different person. I was just looking like crazy and now I look more like human. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do my skincare, get ready and then we'll just head out. Why am I looking so weird? I think so my nude lipstick is just like washing me out. Okay guys, I am ready. I just feel like a different human being whenever I do my hair. I never usually do my hair and I feel like I should start doing my hair more often. Anyways, I'm just gonna give towards the final touch to my hair. By the way guys, if you're wondering about my highlighter, this is the Fenty Beauty in Hustler Baby. The shade is called Hustler Baby. My makeup is completely done. Before heading out, I just like to take a beauty blender and just go over. I know a lot of you will ask me what's on my lips. Today I'm wearing like a proper nude. I still can't decide whether I want to wear this headband outside. I kind of want to do, but we'll see. So on my lips I have Revlon Ultra Matte Lipstick. I've not worn this in ages, but this is in the shade HD Forever 645. Yeah, and I've mixed that with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Crush. And this is more like a nude and this is more like a corally nude. So yeah, that is my makeup look. Before going, I will show you my outfit also. But for now, I'm just gonna order my cab because I'm already late. So yeah, see you in a bit. Before I show you my outfit, you have to promise me that you're gonna ignore all the messy background and my dirty mirror. I'm running out of time and I can't be bothered. So I'll just show you my outfit. My top that I'm wearing today, it's more like a blazer thing, but it's like a really loose blazer. This is from H&M. I got it when H&M opened in it. This is like way too old. This is from H&M. It has this tie thingy which I like. Then I have paired that with my snake print pants. How lovely are these pants? I just love them. So yeah, that is my outfit. Now I'm just gonna wait for my cab and go, and then I'll make you meet my friend Drishti that I'm meeting today, and I think so we're gonna have a lovely time. So see you in a bit. Drishti, do you want to say hi? Hi. Okay, she is my friend Drishti. We have been friends for like how many years? 10?
Class 8.
Class
10
8,
years?
yeah.
11
But.
Ifs and buts.
This is what she's having, and she's making me eat it because she's like a health freak. Morning, you guys. It is the next day. I didn't vlog a bit last night because I was just meeting my friend after so long and we just got lost in conversations. I just forgot that I was vlogging, so sorry about that. But I stayed at her place and now I'm getting ready because we are going to this market next to our house, which is GK. Drishti? Yeah? What market is it जहाँ पे हम जा रहे हैं? M block ना? So we are going to M block market in GK, and then I'm heading to Green Park to meet another friend. So yeah, that's the plan. By the way, the foundation that I've applied is the Infallible Pro Matte. I'm done. I just feel that I need mascara. I don't have a mascara. Achha, I'll eat something now. क्या बना है? दिखाऊं? What are you having? This is
quinoa salad. This is some green dal, and then she's sauteed this cabbage in rye and this thing. And
what roti is this?
This is ragi and jawahar roti.
I want to have it.
Okay, try for me.
ठीक है, I'll get it. इसमें चीनी नहीं है?
चेक कर कि मैं उसे बोल के गई थी कि आप इन लोगों के लिए डाल देना, बट चेक.
नहीं. You have this without chini?
I put अलग से. Please no.
अरे अभी I'm going out for lunch.
अच्छा लंच भी जा रही है.
हाँ. Block market, and I like thrift shopped over there, and I got this jumper which you can't see that well, but I'll show it to you all. So I got this jumper from there. He was originally saying it for 1200 rupees, I want to say, but then I got it down to about 700 rupees, and I love it. Like, the material looks so nice. It looks something that you can get from Zara and stuff. So now the plan is I'm at this metro station nearby, which is Green Park metro station. So I'm at this metro station, which is the Green Park metro station. I'm waiting for a friend, Vaishnavi. You guys have already met her. So I'm waiting for her. Plus GK mein there is this place called Prince Pan. Okay, so unka palak chaat is super famous. So I got that for Vaishnavi and myself, and we'll probably make it right now and have it over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for her to come. Then we'll see how the day goes. But yeah, that's the plan. Hi. You're against slide though. Come inside. Yeah. Because this is like a place where we can do it. Hello. I got chaat.
Like chaat or fruit chaat?
So we're having chaat. I saw something like this in Zara. We are having this chaat. It's called palak chaat. Wait, इसमें कुछ है. ये क्या? Wait. What is this?
Ginger का होगा.
अच्छा. So as you can see, spinach है सब जगह, but हमने उसको दही and I don't know किससे cover कर लिया, but it's nice. So we're done with our chaat, and now we will sit somewhere. Where do you want to go?
No idea.
Have you missed me?
You're asking me on the camera.
Obviously you are.
मुझे लगा audience.
Are you ahead? No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You have?
For cheaper.
Yeah. What do you do? Give me a flip. Hair flip. I always wanted to go and see the lake wala area. Am I even focus? The highlight is the back. Am I in focus? You should be out. I get so conscious. I'm not focused. Listen. This is also nice place.
Yeah.
Triple nine. क्या चाहिए? 30. They're only for 99.
I told you.
इसका 36 होगा?
Listen, don't get carried away. Take it only if you need it.
I need it.
Yeah. Don't look at the price and say you need it.
No, not because of the price, but
साइज नहीं है तो बड़ा साइज ले ले.
यही size है.
तेरा क्या साइज है? दे मेरे को आ जाएगा.
It fits.
छोटा है तेरे को?
नहीं.
तो तू बोल रही आ नहीं रहा मेरे को.
मुझे लग रहा नहीं है because it's 37.
Walk around for a bit.
भैया इसमें है. ऐसे दिखा मेरे इसमें दिखा. इसमें तो अच्छे दिख रहे हैं यार. ये खराब तो नहीं हो जाएंगी जल्दी. What are you looking for?
ऐसे randomly
So we are in this gully in Vishakha village. We went to social and वहाँ पे waiting है for about I would say 30 minutes. So in the meantime we're having Kati roll. We're having what are we having? Chicken what?
chicken tikka roll.
हम egg भी उसमें कर रहे हैं करा रहे so we're not having the egg one, we're just having the chicken tikka kathi roll and this is whole meat as if it matters but finally in social and I've ordered a sandwich, vegetable cheese sandwich, and she's ordered the pasta. Can you see? Shari, this is so pretty. You try. You finally.
I look like a bacha. Mostly out like that.
I'm mostly out without makeup, but I don't go anywhere. But when I go, it's full.
So am I. I like dragons, I like butterflies.